In today's digital era, remote monitoring has become an essential aspect of many businesses. It allows organizations to monitor and manage their systems, networks, and devices from a remote location. However, when it comes to remote monitoring, the security of the transmitted data is of paramount importance. This is where virtual private networks, VPNs, come into play. In this part of the course, we will explore the concept of VPNs and how they can be used for remote monitoring. Understanding virtual private networks, VPNs. What is a VPN? How does a VPN work? Types of VPNs: site-to-site VPN, remote access VPN, point-to-point VPN. The benefits of VPNs for remote monitoring include secure data transmission. VPNs create a secure tunnel between the remote device and the monitored network, ensuring that data is encrypted and protected from unauthorized access. Anonymity. VPNs hide the IP address of the remote device, making it difficult for anyone to trace back the communication to its source. Network scalability. VPNs allow organizations to expand their remote monitoring capabilities quickly and easily without the need for extensive infrastructure changes. The setup of a VPN for remote monitoring entails the following steps. Selecting a VPN provider. Research and choose a reputable VPN service provider that meets your specific remote monitoring requirements. Installation and configuration. Install the VPN software and follow the provider's instructions to configure the VPN on both the monitoring system and the remote device. Authentication and encryption. Set up strong authentication methods, such as usernames, passwords, certificates, or two-factor authentication, to ensure only authorized personnel can access the remote monitoring system. Configure the VPN to use encryption protocols like OpenVPN, IPsec, or SSL, TLS to secure data transmission. Here are some best practices for using VPNs for remote monitoring. Regularly update VPN software. Keep the VPN software and firmware up to date to protect against security vulnerabilities. Use strong passwords and authentication. Ensure strong passwords are used for VPN access and consider implementing multi-factor authentication for added security. Monitor VPN logs. Regularly review VPN logs to identify any suspicious or unauthorized activities. Educate employees. Train employees on the importance of VPN security and the potential risks associated with remote monitoring. The troubleshooting of VPN issues includes actions for the following issues. Slow performance. Check for any network congestion or bandwidth limitations. Consider upgrading your internet connection if necessary. Connectivity issues. Verify that the VPN software is running on both the monitoring system and the remote device. Check firewall settings and ensure that the required ports are open. Configuration errors. Review the VPN configuration on both ends to ensure there are no typos or missing settings. To recap the importance of VPNs for remote monitoring and the benefits they provide in terms of data security and anonymity. You must emphasize the need for best practices and ongoing monitoring to ensure the VPN is functioning correctly. By following the steps outlined in this part of the course, you can set up a secure virtual private network, VPN, for remote monitoring. VPNs provide a reliable and secure way to monitor and manage systems remotely, protecting sensitive data from potential threats.